rhinoplasty with cleft palate repair. This is the direct code only. Okay. Yeah, this code correct only, right? No changes in this. Did you check this code? Yes. You checked or not?
Sir, yes.
Okay. So that same code, that is correct answer only. Okay. So rhinoplasty they are doing, and along with they are doing cleft palate repair. This is the code. Then while coming to the central line catheter, so what are all points we have to look? First, we need to look for the centrally placed or peripherally placed. Then tunnel, non-tunnel, with port pump, without port pump. Then age of the patient. So these 4 points you have to look. So while coming in this, patient age is greater than 5-year-old with the port. This code correct? Anyone having different answer? 36561. Insertion of tunnel. In this question we have tunnel. Yes, tunnel.
Yes, sir.
With the port. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
insertion of tunnel with the port form with the port. So age is greater than 5 years. So 36561. Okay, is correct. So one more question. I'm saying if catheter inserted into basilic catheter inserted into basilic vein with ultrasound guidance. Catheter inserted into basilic vein with ultrasound guidance. What is the code? Catheter inserted into basilic vein with ultrasound guidance. What is the code? Ten-year-old patient. Catheter inserted into basilic vein. 10-year-old patient.
Sir, 36573.
36573. Okay. Yes, this is correct answer only. So while coming insertion peripherally, basilic vein means it is the peripherally, PICC line. So while coming with PICC line, so this is the starting code, but here no image guidance. So it won't come. Then I said with image guidance means here only, here without port pump and including all image guidance. All image guidance is included. Whatever guidance it is included in this. So it is the younger than 5 year, then I said 5 year or older. So the 6573 is the answer. Yes. So that question also it is coming in sometimes. Okay. Then third one is ECMO procedure. So for 4-year-old patient, the last question answer 36573. Okay, then in this ECMO, please go to that code in your book. What code I showed in that revision paper, please go to that code. Double 33951. 33951. Okay. In that page, next page, we have the one table like this. So 33951. It is while coming in this table, you have to know here cannula. This is for the extracorporeal membrane oxygenation. That one. they are doing, how they are doing. Cannula insertion mean this code, this set of codes. Cannula reposition mean this set of. Decannulation mean this. So it is present in the page number 242. If you are knowing this table well, easily 1 mark you will get. So while looking the cannula insertion, extracorporeal membrane oxygenation, in that while looking that this cannula procedure you have to look. If they are doing insertion or repositioning or removal, then you have to look the method through percutaneous, open or sternotomy, percutaneous. So in this I mentioned ECMO performed through percutaneous. So here you can come. So age is 4-year-old. So 4-year-old percutaneous means, so this is the code 33951. So like this only you have to find out. Okay. Now, if ECMO uh, 6-year-old patient through open, 6-year-old ECMO performed to 6-year-old patient through open. What is the code?
33954.
33954. Three nine five four. So I said open. Open means here it is coming. Open. Then 4 years. Sorry, 6 years. 6 years means this one. Yes, 33954. So in that one question it will come. So answer is 33954. Okay. Then. So nasal endoscopy. These are all the direct questions. Nasal endoscopy with ethmoid region. This code. If it is same question, if it is sphenoid region, what is the answer? Same question to the sphenoid region. What is the code sphenoid region means?
31291.
31291. Yes. So 3129091, one question repeatedly it is coming. So please aware of that. This is not direct. Easily you will take 3 series 100%. Okay. So this one is, if it's sphenoid region 31291 it will come. Then VATS. What is the full form of VATS? What is the full form of VATS? What is the full form of VATS?
Video assistant thoracoscopy surgery.
Thoracic surgery. Okay. Video assisted thoracic surgery. 312. Okay. So how many lobes present in the lung? How many lobes present in the lungs?
5.
Total 5.
Okay. Right side how many lobes?
3.
3.
Left side how many lobes?
2.
Okay. Now we'll go to this code. We'll see. 32663. Okay. So this is the for codes for the VATS. Sometimes they will mention thoracoscopy, sometimes they will mention VATS. Whatever it is same thing only. So VATS with surgery procedure they are doing, from here it is starting the code of the surgical procedure. From below in between you have to look. So VATS with, yeah, given question, VATS with removal of the single lobe. VATS with single lobectomy. Then I will coming this. The lobectomy, single lobe, yes. So VATS with single lobectomy means 32663. Suppose if I'm asking VATS with bilobectomy in right lung, what answer? VATS with bilobectomy in right lung. Bilobectomy. What is the code? VATS with bilobectomy.
32670.
32670. Okay. Yes. So remove of the two lobes bilobectomy. It is the right lung. Suppose VATS with bilobectomy in left lung. VATS with bilobectomy in left lung.
So same code.
Same code. Mhm.
Mm, uh, uh, no.
Same code means your answer is wrong. VATS with bilobectomy in left lung.
So with LT modifier, right?
Middle of the left side. Because there are two lobes in the left side, so we'll give remove 32671.
Yes. So because I said starting itself, I asked how many lobes present in the left side. Left side only we have two lobes. The two lobes removed means anything is balanced in the lung. Then what are two lobes only present? The two lobes completely removed. Then no lung in left side, right? So that time what you have to do? We have to go with removal of the lung core. Pneumonectomy. If it is left side, right side we have three lobes. Two lobe removed means one is balanced there. But here no balance. So that time you have to go with the code 32671 if it is left side. Okay. So you have to know this. Here with this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next torcoplasty SHED spelling mistake. This is. Please go to the code once. 32905. 32905. Shed type. This is coming repeatedly. It is coming in exams. Okay, so please remember thoracoplast shed type or extra pleural like that mentioned. Please go to this code. This is the repeated question only. Okay. So next one is okay. Pacemaker means what should be present? Pacemaker means what are all parts present you will call pacemaker.
Lead,
Pulse
ions,
generator and lead.
Again.
Pulse generator and the leads.
Yes, battery and electrode that both present, then only it is for the pacemaker.
Yes.
So you have to know clearly that. So here question is removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. Removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. What is the answer? Removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. Please tell the codes. Where is the table, in which page number?
218.
Very good. 218. So here. So removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. So what is the answer? In this table, you can tell which rows you will go. What is the code? Please give answer. So
Sir,
yeah. Yes, tell me. What is the answer?
33206 and 207.
Mhm.
And for both, for the dual chamber, it is 208.
So your question is removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. Removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker. Removal and replacement. Already one pacemaker present. That one removed. And newly one pacemaker placing. What is that?
So for replacement, 33208. For
Okay.
removal,
What removal? This sub question. No, right? Guys, please where it is in this. First you have to look in this procedure line where it is removal and replacement. Which rows it is present? Tell first.
33228.
While coming here, see, this is all removal only is there. Removal. Here also removal. Here it is present, but it is for the bulk generator with replacement. Only battery removal and replacement. I said pacemaker. So pacemaker means both have to remove and both have to place. So like that meaning, right? So removal and replacement of bulk generator, battery removal and placement, and electrode removal and placement. So this is the dual chamber pacemaker removal and pacemaker placement. So while coming here, so this is the removal and replacement of pacemaker. While coming here, 33233 is there. 33233 is removal of the battery. So first battery removal code. Then 234 or 235. In this two, one code you have to use. 235 is dual lead, 234 is single lead. But I said dual chamber. Dual chamber means 235. Then you have to take 235. Then 206, 207, 208 is there. This is for atrial 206 while seeing the pacemaker, single chamber, atrial chamber pacemaker. 207 is ventricular chamber pacemaker. But 208 is dual chamber pacemaker. Dual chamber means both. Dual chamber pacemaker. See, injection pulse generator, replacement of the transvenous dual lead. So dual chamber pacemaker code is 33208. So how we have to give 233, 235, 208. This one, if performed only, you have to use, otherwise no need to use. So these three codes. In that three codes, which is having more bill amount means 208 because it is a pacemaker. This is the battery, this is the electrode. So pacemaker is the highest amount. That reason we have to use 33208, comma 33233 hyphen 51, 33235 hyphen 51. Like this only you have to give. Here with this, still you are not saying immediately answers. Next week we have exam. Still you are not saying immediately, then what we have to do? Okay. So next one, removal and replacement of the implantable cardiac defibrillator, dual chamber. Removal and replacement of dual chamber pacemaker, not pacemaker, defibrillator via transvenous technique. Removal and replacement of dual chamber cardiac defibrillator via transvenous technique.
So 33241
Mm.
plus 33244
Mm.
plus 33249.
Okay. Correct modifier, correct sequence. Answer is first. Yes. So 33249, come on, 33241. So because 33249 only dual chamber defibrillator. 33249, comma then 33241 hyphen 51 244 hyphen 51. Why 243? Okay. So this is that answer for the pacemaker. So next, in this removal of battery from defibrillator. Removal of battery from the defibrillator. What is the code?
33241.
33241. Okay. Removal of, yes, correct answer. That is removal of single lead from the defibrillator. Removal of single lead, transvenous single lead from the defibrillator. Removal of transvenous single lead from defibrillator.
33244.
Okay. Yes. So like these questions, it will come. So please look into this table. Easily you will take. Okay. So that's all about this. Then next we have the AAA repair by Iota aortic tube endograft. This is there. Please go and search. You can remember abdominal aortic aneurysm by Iota aortic tube endograft they mentioned. You can go with this code. This is the most repeated question. Definitely you will also get. So AAA repair by Iota aortic tube endograft means 34701. Please go to that code in book. There are two codes is there. Maybe this question or 34702. In that two codes, one question will come. 34701. Endovascular repair for the infrarenal aorta by development of the aortic tube endograft. Here mentioned. But this is for if they mention ruptured mention, you can go with this. If you are not having ruptured, you can go with only this. See, other than the rupture only mention. Rupturing mention here. You not having rupturing, you can go with this. You will get one mark from this. So please remember, definitely you will get one mark in this 34701 or 34702 in that one question. But repeatedly 34701 it is coming. So please make it note also. Definitely you will get. Okay. Then next. So bone marrow biopsy and aspiration same encounter. I think this is correct code only. Check it out. This is code. This code correct or wrong? This code is correct or wrong?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Okay. One second. Okay. So this is the answer. So next one next. So mediastinoscopy. This is also one of the repeated question. Mediastinoscopy with the lymph node biopsy. If you are going this code, you will get 39402. If this
Yes,
is for
sir.
the lung cancer, lymph node mean this is answer. Suppose if they are doing lymphoma biopsy, mediastinoscopy with lymphoma biopsy means what is the answer?
9401.
Yes, 39401 is the
One.
answer. Correct, correct. Okay, here the one question. Single lead removal from the pacemaker. What is the code? One lead removing from the pacemaker.
33234.
Yes, 33234. So now only we discussed. Then next one is this 12th question. What does that mean? Bronchoscopy with transbronchial lung biopsy. The full question is bronchoscopy with transbronchial lung biopsies. In 3 biopsies means what is the answer? Bronchoscopy, transbronchial lung biopsies. In bracket 3 biopsies.
31628.
Only one code or add-on code?
Sent. 31628 plus 31632 into 2.
Let's see now. In different answer 31628. Anyone having different answer? See saying 31628, come on, 31632 into 2. Correct, you are saying. Shweta, Priyanka.
Sir, I am the only one who said that.
Okay. So others
Sir, still searching.
searching. Sneka is there. Everyone is alert, right? You are doing any other work.
Sir, only one code will go because there's a description written that 31628 should be reported. Only one, how many transbronchial lung biopsies are performed.
Okay, okay, okay. So in single lobe, if n number of biopsies done, also one code only. If I'm saying any additional lobe, then you can use the add-on code. But I'm not mentioning here any additional lobe. Only single lobe only. Okay, so you have to report like that. So only one time. That is so 31628 is enough. No need to use this add-on code. Okay. Yes, she told correct only. Shweta. Then next one is so epistaxis. So when you will choose the complex, then you will go with the complex. Then you will go complex. Complex when you will go.
Day 150 माझे दीड महिने
Sir,
बाकी
survey.
कमावून
Whenever there is rhino rocket or cotton ball dipped into the chemical and inserted into nose for the control of hemorrhage and extensive
Yes.
cautery.
Rhino rocket, cotton ball, nasal tampon, and extensive cauterization. Then you can go with the code complex 30903. Yes. So suppose if not mention this anterior or posterior, then what is the default?
Anterior.
Anterior. Okay. Then if okay, patient had before past 2 days before patient visited for the posterior bleeding, then today again is coming for uncontrolled bleeding. Again MD doing repair. Now he is controlling on the epistaxis. So what is the code?
30906.
Yes, 30906. It is the subsequent. Posterior, we have subsequent. Okay. Suppose the anterior nose bleeding happened. Morning, patient visited anterior nose bleeding. Okay. That time MD done the complex repair, complex epistaxis repair. Then patient discharged. Then again evening that patient coming for uncontrolled bleeding in that same place. Again MD doing moving into the operating room. There he is doing the complex anterior epistaxis repair. So now how will you report the evening?
With the 78 modifier.
Priyanka, you studied all well.
No, no, sir, not that well.
I think I'm expecting from your 98. Huh? Everyone easily can take marks. Okay, I'm giving the repeated questions and all. Definitely, you have more chance to get more than 90s. I want in this everyone should take more than 95 90s. Everyone should score more than 90s. That only I want. Okay, so please, giving what revision paper you can study well, and whatever class notes we done, that one you can go through. If you are doing revision papers well, definitely you will get good score. I will give guarantee. Okay, so please follow. Very good. So next, okay, so here in this cardiovascular intervention radiology. So this one, what is the concept? If selective catheterization, what is the first three character? What fourth digit selection of what basis? Fifth digit selection what based?
So first three characters are 362. The
Okay.
fourth digit is based on the entry side. Now, if
Okay.
it's above the abdomen,
Mhm.
it is 1, and if it's below the abdomen, it is 4. And the fifth digit is based on the order. So, if it's
Okay.
the first order, we give 5, second 6, and third or more, we give 7.
Okay. So this one where we have to look easily, I said one back side, I said one page, right? So where you
Yes,
look,
yes, sir.
where you look for?
So, page 856.
856.
Appendix L.
Okay. So everyone go to that appendix L. In this, definitely this question it will come. Definitely we are writing 6 people. Suppose in this batch if you are writing, minimum 3 people you will get this question. Okay. Appendix L. While coming to here, so we have to look the dot line. This is the dot line. This is the diaphragm. If diaphragm above any arteries entered present, then 3621. If it is diaphragm below 3624, so that is the fourth character. Then fifth digit, you have to look in each arteries top what order mentioned, first order or second order, third order. So in this, I given common hepatic. What is the answer? Common hepatic artery. What is the answer? Common hepatic artery. What is the answer?
Three six two four six.
Yes. So while looking the hepato means liver. Liver definitely is below the diaphragm only. So diaphragm below while looking it is the epigastric, it is the splenic, then it is the common hepatic. See here, common hepatic. So in this common hepatic, it is the below the diaphragm. So 362. Then diaphragm below means 4. Fourth character is 4. Then you have to look the order. Top you have to look second order. Second order means 6. 6 2 4 6 is the answer. This is the repeated question. Clear with this or anyone having doubt? Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next, the same thing only. Here I'm giving one question. Please take. Okay. CAPG into 1 second. You can take CPG into 5, CPG into 5. In that in that in that um, 3 veins harvested, totally 5 graft. In that 3 is harvested from 3 graft is harvested from the veins, 3 harvested from the vein, and another 2 harvested from the artery. In that 3 harvested from veins, another 2 harvested from arteries. Okay, total 5. In that 3 harvested from veins, another 2 harvested from arteries. So where I said harvested, right? So 3 vein. That vein is, one is for saphenous vein, another one is endoscopic vein. One is from totally 3 vein harvested. So in that one is from saphenous vein, another 2 from the endoscopic vein. Then artery, 2 from the radial upper right upper extremity artery. This is the question. So totally 5. In that 3 harvested from veins, another 2 harvested from the arteries. That 3 vein is where the harvested means one is from saphenous vein, another 2 from the endoscopic vein. So artery, 2 artery harvested. The 2 artery is from the upper extremity artery. What is the answer? Please give everyone, please interact everyone, don't sleep. I think some people, 2 people are not interacting, they are doing some other work. I think they are done night shift and sleeping. Please, I need answer from everyone. What about others? So you have to look first how many vein graft, how many artery graft. First you have to give the code. Artery first code, then artery followed vein codes you have to give. Then after that you need to look RST code, which is codable, which is non codable. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people here. So here I will tell answer. Okay. So please listen. So in this totally 5. CEPG is performed 5. In that 3 vein and 2 arteries. So 3 vein, 2 arteries means, so it is the first we have to give the artery codes. Artery code is 332 arteries means 33534. Correct. That is for the artery code. 2 artery 533 534 is 2 artery. Then artery followed vein codes, not vein direct vein codes. Artery followed vein codes 33517 518 519. That codes you have to give. So how many veins mean? 3 veins, totally 3. So 2 from the subvenous, one is from the, sorry, 1 from the subvenous, another 2 from the endoscope. Total 3. So 33517 518 519 519. Then this is for the craft codes we given. After that, what we have to give? We need to use that harvesting codes. Codable, which is codable, which is not codable. If they harvested from the subvenous vein, no codes. No need to code. If they harvested from endoscopic vein, we need to code. That code is 33508. Then, while looking, it is codable endoscopy. Then upper extremity artery harvested also we need to code. That is for 35600. So harvested from the subvenous vein and endoscopy. So answer is 33534, 33519, 33508, 35600. Anyone having doubt in my answer? 33534,
No,
come
sir.
on, 33519, come on, 33508, come on, 35600. This question already came, but people not given correctly. Oh, only one person done correctly. One now. Disha and now change. Shut. So please look correctly. Okay. So while reporting the graph codes and harvesting code, you should not use any modifier. Don't use any modifier between in this. Okay. So you have to know clearly this. Graph related one question we have in that exam. Definitely we have one more one question. So please don't forget and follow correctly. I will ask tomorrow all graph codes. Whatever Vein graph codes we have. So that one I will ask. Whatever we have artery graph codes. So vein graph codes, artery graph codes, and artery followed vein graph codes. I will ask to everyone tomorrow session. Okay. So this is for the graph related question. Then, so this one we discussed already. We discussed this 16th question. That answer is 36246. Catheterization only. Apart from this, what series question important? Okay, single lead removal from uh, defibrillator. What is the code? Single lead removal from defibrillator.
Three two four four.
That is battery. Single lead removal from defibrillator.
C3272.
No, it is correct only. It's removal of the transvenous electrode single lead system. 33244 is correct answer. Okay. So next. Okay, septoplasty, when they will do septoplasty? Septoplasty, in what condition will do the septoplasty?
When there is a hole.
Okay. So if condition is a deviated nasal septum present, that time they will do the septoplasty. So this is the one theory question. When will do the septoplasty? If patient is having condition deviated nasal septum, that time will do the septoplasty. Okay, then excision of nasal polyps. Please find the code. Excision of nasal polyps. Excision of nasal polyps. Excision of nasal polyps.
30110
30.
for simple. 30110 for simple.
Yes, that is correct code only. 30110. Yes, 30110 is the correct answer. Then next one, thoracotomy. Thoracotomy. Thoracotomy, bilobectomy. Bilobectomy. What is the code? Thoracotomy, bilobectomy. Thoracotomy, bilobectomy. What is the code for thoracotomy, bilobectomy? What?
32670.
That is thoracoscopy. That is VATS. I said thoracotomy. I said that is different. This is different.
32482.
Wow, very good. 32482 is
482.
correct answer. Please make it
Sir, I
note.
know that first. Then I only changed the answer.
Okay. So 32482 is the correct answer.
Sir, in the index, where do we find it? Under thoracotomy, there are a lot of subtopics.
By thoracotomy under bilobectomy you are not getting. Wait, I will show. If you are searching bilobectomy also, you will get directly. You are searching bilobectomy, directly it is coming. But you have to confirm that thoracoscopy or what is that? See. So bilobectomy while searching 32482 it is coming. If it is VATS, then this code. So bilobectomy under we can search. Okay. Then insertion of pulse generator with existing multi-lead system. I'm typing question, please wait. Insertion of pulse generator. Insertion of pulse generator in existing multi-lead system. It is for the ICD. ICD means what? Implantable cardiac defibrillator.
Three three two three one.
Go fast. Already you have answer. Okay. 33231. Yes, correct answer. So 33. So insertion of pulse generator only. Placing the pulse generator battery alone with existing multi-lead system. So 33231 is the correct answer. Okay. So next, this is some new questions. Lymphangiography bilateral. Lymphangiography bilateral. Lymphangiography Lymphangiography bilateral. What is the code? What is the code for lymphangiography bilateral? If you are going backside lymphangiography, under injection you will get backside of the alphabetical index.
38790. 38790.
Yes. So any modifier we need to use?
50.
See here. Injection by procedure in lymphangiography 38790. If bilateral procedure, report 38790 with modifier 50. But here it is bilateral only. So 38790, 50 modifier 38790, 50. So you have to know this. So this much only for the 3 series. Then we'll move to the next one, 4 series. So 4 series in this first one.